Well, hello everybody. Maisha here again with another video for you. I am extremely excited because when I went to my mailbox today, I saw one of my favorite bead boxes, the Sam's bead box. And what was in the box today was a tribute to Wendy Whitman. It's called Wendy's Safari, and so what it says here is Wendy Safari. This month's box celebrates the life of Wendy Whitman as we mark 2 years since the passing of our bead-loving friend. I feel so lucky to have known Wendy. I remember always feeling so lifted after talking with her. I loved watching her YouTube videos with the bead box, where she would often ambiguously challenge herself to utilize every bead in the box. I do that sometimes too. Wendy's kindness and love of crafting were contagious. The beading community misses her dearly. Shortly before her passing, we reached out to Wendy to see if she wanted to collaborate on a box. She was all in and shared her ideas. We are thankful to have received the blessing from Wendy's family to create a box in her honor. We'll let Wendy tell you about her box from here, in quotes. I really have a thing for giraffes. I don't know why, but I love them. Any giraffe, all giraffes. I'm thinking maybe a safari themed box. Brown, white, picture jasper, wooden beads. I think turquoise would look really pretty with that theme and would add a splash of color to the earth tones. And a giraffe pendant. We hope the safari we created is what Wendy envisioned and continues to spread the joy she shared with us as we create Sam Siegel. So very happy about this box, and when you see what's in it, you're going to be just as happy as I am. So I'm going to go through the strands first, and then after the strands, I'll go through what else is in the box. So first strand we have here is going to be our picture jasper, the smooth puffy coin, and I'm hoping you can see this. It really is smooth. It's beautiful. One thing about picture jasper is it reminds me of the countertops that folks used to have back in the day. Very pretty, very smooth, with the different grains in it. Almost looks wood-like, but it's a beautiful strand of these coin beads. Next is going to be the mixed tiger eye smooth round, red and heated. So you can see, hopefully it'll focus here. You can see the beautiful tiger's eye. There's different colors in here. This one has the traditional brown color that we're used to seeing all over. This one has a little bit of green, gray. I'd love to know the different names for the different type of tiger's eye. This one is red. Yeah, some of the traditional colors here. This is the one that I'm used to seeing the most, but the red ones are just beautiful. They're absolutely gorgeous. Love tiger's eye. Then we have the check glass English cut topaz. It's a 3.5 millimeter. There's 50 on this strand. And this is a very beautiful color as well. And it's smooth, very smooth to the touch. And then we have the Howlite Elephants. This is a strand. It's in a bag, but it's actually a strand. And that's very nice. I know a lot of people like elephants, and I'm starting to like them. Oh my God, I need to go put some lotion on. Stand by. And what's next? This is the green African jade faceted round. This is a perfect jade right here for this time of year that we're going into. And then we have the cushioned oval. This is a fire polished cushioned oval green safari mix. And you should see the cut on this. It's amazing. It's really pretty. Then we have the fire polished. Oh no, this is the check glass custom bead strand. And that's very nice because we have these that are these smooth bicones. This green one that has like, wow, it's like got this creamy color on one side and it's kind of clear on the other. But these are beautiful. Very smooth. This one right here is like a square. Everything is smooth and with the rounded edges. Very nice custom strand. Then we have the fire polish Rondelle Safari Mix. Right, very nice. Then we have the check glass spacer Rondelle and the floral mix. Okay. Then we have the melon barrel greenstone Picasso bronze. Wow, I just can never get enough of these. These melon beads are amazing. This Picasso wash on it is awesome. And then we have the garland flower in turquoise cream Picasso. Never get enough of flower beads. Those look really nice in a bracelet. And then we have the fire polish round turquoise Picasso in a 6mm. So that's the turquoise that Wendy wanted. And it's amazing. Okay, so that was the strands that was in here. So we have next a genuine turquoise nugget soup. Here we go. Oh, I like it. I like it. It's rare that you can find some genuine turquoise that's reasonably priced. But since we got some nuggets here, looks like we can get them at a good price. Beautiful. These are the green, like a greenish turquoise. And then we have the check glass elephants in turquoise. Let's see. Let's see the turquoise elephants. I love Sam's bead box. Here we go. Very nice. Can't wait to figure out what I'm gonna do with this guy here. Then we have our mosaic oval in dark topaz. And we have a grape leaf topaz with the AB on it. These are really nice. Okay. So that's that one. And we have the brown banded agate dyed barrels and tubes. Okay. I have some of these and I really like them. Yeah. And this is awesome too. It'll be nice and a pendant or even as a bracelet focal. Very pretty. We have the green, I want to show this one, the green zebra jasper opal. Wow. I've never seen this before. Never. It has a little texture on it too. It's absolutely gorgeous. Wow. It's kind of hefty too. Two mediums and a large. Okay. Then we have the check glass 2-hole wave stone Picasso colors that vary. There's 7 of these. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. I don't know. When you look at this, what would you do with it when you see it? Would you make it into a bracelet? Like, that's really the first thing I can think about. But honestly, I think I gravitate towards bracelets because you get a chance to look at it yourself. Like, the bracelets are really for you. And if you're like me and you really love beads, you always want to look at them. So next I've got some check glass fire polish round giraffe mix. These are pretty. Wow. Oh my gosh. I hope these are in the extras because I definitely need some. These are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. My camera is telling me to pull back, but I want you to be able to see that. It says I'm too close, but these are awesome. I'm putting them back in the package until I can put them in a container. And then we have Tierra Cast Fern Link, a 20 by 39 one piece, and a giraffe charm that's 20 by 40. Ooh. Oh my. Look at this. We're gonna really have to get creative with this one. Interesting. It's a nice leaf. Okay. And those. And then we have our wood coins in dark brown. These are nice. Oh yeah, these would definitely go into earrings. And lots of them. I really, really like. We get 12 of those. Okay, everybody, this was a very quick video because I just wanted to share the beauty of Sam's bead box with you. I really, really, I've said this before, I really, really love Sam's bead box. And when I think about, you know, reducing the number of bead boxes I receive, and I think, which one will I do? I just don't want to let it go. I love it so much. So with that, everybody, if you like this video, if you like what you saw here, please like, subscribe, make a comment, share. I put my favorite tools in the description box. I do have affiliate links there. It's free to you, doesn't cost you anything if you want to purchase any of those tools or anything from there. That costs you, but it doesn't do it. I don't get, well, I don't know, I get a little bit from this, from like a commission or something, or finder's fee, something like that. But those tools are in there. And also you'll find in there a link to my Facebook group. So if you don't have a beading community and you want some folks who you just want to talk to about your beading journey and communicate with, please go join the Blue Sapphire Studio Facebook group. It's a private group. We don't do sales in that group, but if somebody likes whatever you post there, you're welcome to talk to them in the DMs about that. And then also my Instagram link is there, so if you want to go follow me on Instagram, you can do that too. Please turn on your notification bell so you'll know if and when I post the video, because I am going to make something with these beautiful beads here. I don't know yet what I'm going to make, but I am making something. And so turn on your notification bell so that when that video comes out, you'll be able to bead with me. I hope that you have your Sam's bead box, and if you don't, I would suggest clicking on the link that I'll provide in the box. I am not an affiliate for Sam's bead box. I don't get anything for sharing this with you. So with that, I'm going to say goodbye and good night and happy beading. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.